Okay, today we're going to show you what happens when you put a stroker motor in a billet cylinder. So with the big stroke, your rod tends to move around more in the cylinder. And it gets real close to that edge there, but watch this edge. Oh, that's not good. You know, I heard something clicking. When you put the base gasket underneath, doesn't hit quite as bad. But I could still hear something clicking when I was rotating this thing. I thought, well, it's a stroker with a billet cylinder. We better check it out. And there you go. There's the clicking. Another thing to look for, ladies and gentlemen. There you go.